From the sun-drenched lands of Southeast Asia, where tropical climates, fertile soils, and hardworking farmers shape the rhythm of life, comes a fruit that carries both the essence of nature and the dedication of human labor, the pineapple. In Vietnam, regions like Tây Ninh, Long An, Quang Tri, and the Mekong Delta are known as the country's leading pineapple growing areas. In Indonesia, places like Lampung and Sumatra are famous for their vast, seemingly endless pineapple plantations. In both countries, pineapples are more than just a fruit. They are a story of livelihood, agricultural innovation, and the shared vision of delivering clean, safe produce to consumers worldwide. Unlike many other crops, pineapple cultivation doesn't begin with seeds. Farmers select shoots, the young leafy crowns from mature plants, and carefully plant them in the soil by hand or using specialized equipment. In Vietnam, traditional hand planting methods are still widely practiced. Meanwhile, in Indonesia, large-scale farms spanning hundreds of hectares have mechanized this process, enabling the planting of 5,000–6,000 shoots per day. Pineapples thrive in sandy loam soil with good drainage and plenty of sunshine. Ideal temperatures between 20 degrees Celsius and 35 degrees Celsius promote optimal growth. Modern drip irrigation systems help conserve water and deliver nutrients directly through the leaves, increasing efficiency and reducing environmental impact. On average, it takes 13 to 16 months for a pineapple plant to bear fruit, a long process that demands patience and attentive care from farmers every single day. Few people know that a pineapple is actually the result of hundreds of tiny flowers growing on a single stalk. Each flower, once pollinated, forms an individual eye. As these eyes grow evenly, they merge to form a plump, juicy pineapple with a sweet aroma and golden color. When fully ripe, the fruit turns bright yellow, its green leaves stand tall, and a fragrant scent fills the air, signaling it's ready to begin its journey. Harvesting pineapples may seem simple, but it's tough work: sharp leaves, spiky skin, and fruits weighing 1–2 kilograms each, all under the heat of the tropical sun. In Indonesia, over 3,000 workers take part in the harvest season. In Vietnam, many families have grown pineapples for generations, and harvest time is the busiest, most anticipated period of the year. Once picked, the pineapples are quickly loaded onto trucks and transported directly to processing facilities to preserve freshness and flavor. At pineapple processing plants in Vietnam and Indonesia, production lines are managed under strict international standards to ensure safety and quality. Step 1. Water test. Pineapples are dropped into large water tanks. Those that sink are rejected. Step 2. Cleaning and cooling. The fruits are thoroughly washed with cool water and naturally disinfected to retain their crispness and vibrant color. Step 3. Product sorting. Depending on quality and size, pineapples are prepared for various product lines. Fresh-cut pineapple sliced and packed in vacuum-sealed bags or PET containers. Canned pineapple cut into rings, soaked in syrup or natural juice, sterilized, and sealed. Pineapple juice cold-pressed, concentrated, and bottled in glass or paper cartons. IQF frozen pineapple diced or thinly sliced, then flash frozen to preserve natural flavor, texture, and color. Modern machinery automates most of the steps: peeling, coring, slicing, filling, sealing, labeling, and packing. All to serve one goal: preserving nature's essence in every pineapple product. From these golden fruits, hundreds of products are created. Tangy sweet canned pineapple for everyday meals. Refreshing pineapple juice served in weekend cafes. Convenient frozen pineapple for restaurants and home kitchens. Even ingredients for skincare. detox drinks, and functional health products. Each item carries the distinct tropical flavor, sweet, vibrant, and refreshingly natural. The pineapple, seemingly a simple fruit, is in fact a bridge connecting farmers, technology, and consumers around the world. From the fields of Tay Ninh to the factories of Lampung, from the hands of workers to high-tech machinery, every step comes together to create products that are clean, safe, and full of care. So the next time you hold a can of pineapple, or sip a cool glass of juice, remember, you're not just enjoying a fruit. You're supporting a responsible, sustainable, and deeply human form of agriculture.